Do you remember we used to skip our school on a rainy day in childhood? Okay, we used to say that if the rains, I will be not go to the school, and if doesn't rain, we will go to the school. Understand that we used to decision making in Python in that decision in this situation, and we do not do a lot of decision making in our life. If, for example, I am tired, so I wouldn't go for picnic, and I'm not, so I will, go. Okay, I will be go. So we usually do this type of decision making, like you are hungry, so order some food. If you're not hungry, you will be not order so on. And if you are hungry and got the bug, so order some food, else control our hunger and try to making in our daily life. So usually for the same decision making in Python programming, we have if else statement. If else statement, we can use if, elif, else. Okay, how we can use these conditions in Python programming, I teach you this today in this class. Okay, so now let's move to the computer screen and let's get started. So now, to take an input as an integer, like here we can write like a should be int, should be input, should be like that. I will be leave it, and I will be give it like that. And now here we can write like that, and that double quotes, and now we can write like double quotes, and now here we can write like enter your age, and now here we can write like here enter your age. And now here we can write enter your age. So now let's write enter your age, and now I will be write like print your age like comma a. And after, if your user is 18 plus, so I can display if he, she and can drive or cannot either or 2. Let's suppose the user age should be 18. Like here we can write like if a should be 18, and here we can write like print you can derive, and here we can write like else. Here we can write like print you can not derive. And now here we can go here, and now here we can erase it. So now here we can run it. So first of all, here I will be it will giving the syntax error. So why? Because here we can write like that, and now we can run it. Sorry, not write like that. Here we can go, and now here we can write like that. And now it will giving the syntax error. So why I will be see? Because it will giving the syntax error, because here we can write like that. And now here we can write like it. I will be give to the run it. And here I will be my age should be I will be give my age. So I will give my age should be 18. So your age is 18. You cannot drive, because he will be saying you cannot drive, because I will be saying 18 above. 18 above will be drive, when the 18 and then 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 will be not drive. Okay, understand it. So now on the base input, here we can write like I will be nothing we can write, and now here we can and see sometime the programmer need to check the evaluation of sentence expression, whether the expression as value to the true or false. Now basically how it's work, these are our conditional operations. Like here you can see it like hashtag and the that, and then hashtag then and that, and then hashtag like that. Okay, that it is like a one. Okay, so now understand it. So now if you check equality, so I have first let me tell you about conditional operators. First of all, here we can write conditional operators. operators. Like here we can write like that is that and that, comma, that and then comma, and here we can write like that. And here we can write like print should be a slash 18 and I will be, it are conditional operators, so I will be make him the comment. And now here we can write like print a, here we can write print a should be 18 and then I will be copy it. And here we can paste, then paste, then paste. And now here we can write like that and that. And now here we can write like this. And here we can write like this. So this. And now I will be not write like this, so I will be go to the here and now here we can write like comma should be like this. And now here we can write like that, so we can run it. So if you did not here we can write my age should be 18. So here is the 18 is coming and now I will be have one mistake and now here we can have print. So yeah, I will go and now print a and print a should be 18 and then your enter is your age and enter your age and should be input. And now till here my work can answer yes because applied. So now till here my work is done. So now here we can, which mean if you less than so it is true and if you not less than it will not true. So invalid. So now I will be write like that and run it. And here I will be enter my age. So here you can see it. It is coming like your age is 18 false. Here it is coming like false and first. And it is coming like true, then false, then here you cannot drive. They are written in Boolean type, okay, in Boolean type like I will be, okay, this is A18 it is true and then this a hashtag 18 not true and this will be, true and I hope you guys got it. So now I will be here, I will be press alt and click here and here we can make a comment. And now here you can see easily I will be make a comment and which means if the a so it points to print the block so, and if not it is not true. So it print is the block code. Here you can see it print the block code whether it is fall under if or else. Okay, if or else. Now you might be thinking what are cooking when I have added this page we can't remove this. If so we can't remove this. So I will be space is called indentation. If you are using a modern ideas like VS Code, PyCharm or even Replit, okay, so you are press enter, they are automatically add a space, okay, enter and you will automatically enter space. Here you can see, and this means that you are starting a block. Or if you are user of C language, so let me tell you, we don't use a curly brackets here, okay. So now I'll be enter press and okay, you will be not use this bracket, okay. So now we added a colon and spaces, so it mean we enter this in this if like here we can go and here we can write like print should be yes, okay, print should be yes, and here we can also write like print should be no. And now you will tell me the comments inside the blog. So now here we can go and here we can write like print should be yes, and now here we can write like that. Even this code inside the else in the begin execute, even then you get this code and now here we can write between it doesn't any business with the concise instead of the else it will. Let me show you. We can run it. Run it. So I will be look my age should be I take 48 and now I printed the 48 and now here is coming like your age is 48. You can write yes. Yeah, here you can just start inside of if you can drive yes and it is also begin printed. And now here we can print and now here we can write like my age should be I will be printed. My age should be 8. Then we can run it. So here your age is 8. You cannot drive. No, yeah, it is coming like that. Because okay, from now I wouldn't say space. I say indefinite whenever I say word. Just understand and whatever I'm referring you. Now inside the else block, I will be go. And now what happened if the here we can go to the here, and now here let's suppose also we can write like I will be go to the easiest I will be tell you. So now let's move to the let's move to the another if else statements. Okay, so now like here we can write like num should be input should be enter the value. So I will be telling you the if else statement another things of this if else statement one another thing. So now here we can write like num enter your value, who enter your value, and here we can write of num, and here we can write like that. And now here we can write like if num should be 0, print number is negative. And here we can write like elif num should be 0 should be like that, and print number is 0. And now here we can write like that and dot, and here we can write like elif number should be 0. And now here we can write like elif should be num should be write like that, and minus should be 999. And now here we can write like that, and here we can write print should be number is 0, and now dot, and now here we can write enter, and here we can else should be print should be, here we can go and print should be number is positive, and now here we can write like that and ellipse, and now we can run it. So here is the number, enter the value of num. So here we can write like 5, then here we can go to the 5 and we can write like 5. So the number is positive because I am saying like the if number 0 down the 0 or the 0 I will be right, so it will the number is positive when I will be running. And like here we can write like -1, so it will giving the number is not negative. Here you can see the number is negative, then we can run, and here we can write like the minus 99 enter. So the number is negative. It is conditional else statement and easiest, and I will be tell you in our Python. And I hope you can enjoy this class and enjoy. Please like that video, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel. So I'll meet you in next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.